Something's there. An ROV laser scans the Apache's corroded fuselage, revealing its structure.
A massive salvage vessel on choppy seas prepares for heavy lift operations. Confirm all lines are clear for deployment.
Connection confirmed.
Holding steady.
The Apache helicopter, suspended by cables, majestically rises from the deep.
She's up!
The recovered Apache rests on a salvage barge, amidst focused activity. Condition assessment beginning.
Technicians meticulously secure the Apache with heavy chains and straps.
This one needs to be snug. We can't have any movement.
The salvage barge, with the Apache, is towed across the ocean at sunset.
The tugboat guides the Apache into a bustling industrial port at dawn. Welcome home.
A massive industrial crane descends towards the Apache on the barge. Slow and steady. Bring it down just a little more.
The Apache is lifted by crane, carefully lowered onto a transport trailer. Lower 5 feet. Hold. Now, gentle push to starboard.
The Apache, caked in marine residue, arrives in a pristine aerospace hangar. Welcome to her new home. The real work begins now.
Initial visual inspection. Document everything. No detail too small.
High-pressure water jets blast decades of ocean sediment from the Apache. This stuff is really caked on, but it's coming off.
It's actually still there. Water jets reveal original military markings on the Apache's tail boom. Look at that.
An engineer scans the Apache with a tablet, displaying real-time damage assessment. Corrosion has compromised. Engineers review historical blueprints and modern schematics of the Apache. We need to understand the original design intent before we can propose modifications.
This entire section needs replacing. Got the full scale here.
We'll start with the main rotor assembly.
Technician removes corroded bolts from Apache's main rotor hub with pneumatic tool. These are really seized. We'll need a lot of penetrating oil.
Technicians prepare a clean room around the Apache, draping protective tarps. We need to prevent any further contamination. A major panel is removed, revealing corroded wiring and hydraulics inside. This panel's off. Take a look at the internal damage.
Overhead, color-coded bins organize corroded components on a clean workbench. Every part gets its place. We can't lose anything.
An overhead crane extracts the Apache's engine, dripping oily residue. Slow and steady. Watch for any snag points.
Main tan laser lock.
Removing the cockpit canopy reveals severely corroded instruments and controls. Years of saltwater have really taken their toll on everything inside. Technicians tear down landing gear, revealing seized gears and rusted cylinders. We'll need to replace most of these components. Saltwater is brutal.
This fluid is completely unusable. This is gonna be a nightmare. These are fused solid.
Armed and dangerous, even after all these years.
Opening the avionics bay reveals severely corroded 1960s-era electronics. This is a complete loss.
Like new.
Time-lapse, corroded metal part undergoes chemical bath corrosion removal. The acid eats away decades of rust.
Precision mechanical parts undergo ultrasonic cleaning, creating mesmerizing ripples. Every crevice cleansed.
This seam cuts through anything.
Metallurgical technician examines a structural sample under a powerful microscope. We're seeing significant intergranular corrosion. This metal has lost its integrity.
X-ray imaging reveals internal stress fractures within a damaged component. The internal structure is severely weakened.
A 3D laser scanner captures geometry of an irreplaceable damaged part from the Apache.
An engineer uses CAD software to reconstruct corroded components on monitors. We're integrating modern materials where possible, but
A 3D printer meticulously creates a titanium ducting bracket for the Apache. This complex geometry is only
Stronger than steel, lighter than air.
Perfect bead.
Technicians rebuild a hydraulic actuator, installing new seals and fresh fluids. Every seal,
Electronics technician reverse engineers vintage circuit boards with magnifying lamp. We're rebuilding these systems from scratch, component by component, for authenticity.
Technician adapts modern avionics to fit period-accurate Apache cockpit housings. We want the pilot to feel like they're in a classic Apache, but with modern capabilities.
Hydraulic ram precisely seats a new bearing into an engine component. This bearing is critical for smooth engine operation. Zero tolerance for error.
Perfect fit.
Speed-ramped welding repairs stress cracks on fuselage frame, sparks flying. Stronger than before.
Technicians load metal components into a glowing heat treatment furnace. The controlled heating and cooling will relieve internal stresses.
Quality control inspection. Technician precisely measures a new part. Caliper was perfect.
Parts emerge gleaming clean from solvent tanks, ready for assembly. Any remaining contaminants could compromise the entire engine.
Turbine blade inspection under magnification reveals critical micro cracks.
These micro fractures are critical.
Even the smallest
Meticulous disassembly of a compressor stage reveals intricate airflow paths. Every blade, every stator vane plays a crucial role in engine efficiency.
Refurbishing a combustion chamber, applying heat-resistant coatings. This ceramic layer protects against extreme temperatures, extending engine life significantly.
Fuel nozzles undergo ultrasonic cleaning and flow testing for optimal performance. Uniform fuel
Zero tolerance for vibration.
New turbine blades are installed with torque wrench precision into the engine. These blades are the heart of the engine. Perfect installation is paramount.
Reassembly of the engine casing with thermal gasket ensures a perfect seal. This gasket prevents hot gas leaks, ensuring maximum thrust and safety.
Fuel pump overhaul. Modern efficiency upgrades are installed. This upgrade will
ECU modernization integrates digital systems into a robust housing. This new ECU offers
A fully rebuilt engine is mounted on a test stand, surrounded by sensors. All systems are green. We're ready to proceed with the initial run. She's alive.
all parameters are within operational limits, stable at 80% thrust. This engine is performing beautifully.
Fuselage frame reinforcement welding with sparks dramatically illuminating hangar. Every joint is critical. We're rebuilding this airframe from the ground up.
Bulkhead replacement. Precision cut aluminum panels are riveted into place. Each rivet is a point of strength. Bulkhead replacement. Precision cut aluminum panels are riveted into place. Each rivet is a point of strength.
Riveting skim panels with pneumatic rivet guns creates a rhythmic soundscape. These rivets create a strong, lightweight bond, just like the original design.
Technicians meticulously apply carbon fiber overlay to high-stress areas. This composite overlay will significantly strengthen critical load-bearing areas.
Hydraulic system plumbing, color-coded lines meticulously connected. These lines flood of the craft.
Installation of a new electrical wiring harness, meticulously routed. Every single wire must go to its exact destination. No shortcuts here.
Secure connection.
Flight control actuator installation and calibration ensure precise movement. Every degree of movement must be perfectly synchronized for stable flight.
Perfect throw.
Landing gear shock strut servicing, nitrogen charging, and pressure gauge readings. Proper strut pressure is vital for absorbing landing impacts and taxiing smoothly.
Reliable brakes are absolutely essential. Fuel system leak testing with pressure gauges. Technician checks for drips. Fuel system integrity is non-negotiable.
ECS installation for cockpit pressurization. Technicians connect complex ducting. This system ensures a stable cabin environment.
Communication antenna integration ensures clear signal with modern radio systems. Reliable communication is paramount for mission success and pilot safety. Crystal clear.
Every interlock verified.
Instrument panel sandblasting reveals original gauge faces beneath grime. Untouched for decades.
Gauge restoration. New luminescent dials meticulously applied. These new dials will ensure clear readability.
Abilities for quick stack. Modern glass cockpit installed, maintaining period aesthetics, blending old and new. We're giving her modern capability.
Ejection seat rebuild. New parachute and rocket motor components installed. Every component is new, tested. Throttle and control stick refurbishment with new grips and mechanisms. These are the pilot's direct interface. They need to be perfect, responsive.
Feels brand new.
Canopy polishing achieves optical clarity with a technician using a rotary buffer.
Seat cushion and harness replacement with period-correct materials. We're using materials that match the original specifications for historical accuracy.
Wings inbound. Southbound, top to right, 0 to 2, south to the right center, driving forward, down to the camera.
Laser alignment guides position Apache's wing for precision attachment. 1 millimeter off here, and the entire flight envelope is compromised.
Perfect alignment.
Automated perfection.
All torqued.
So I had just to know where that down went. Yeah.
Maintain level.
Hydraulic jacks support the Apache's weight, ensuring stability during connection.
Go, no go gauge verifies wing alignment tolerance. Perfect fit confirmed. This confirms the wing is perfectly aligned. Overhead crane lifts Apache's tail section, descending for reattachment. Maintain a steady descent. We need perfect synchronization.
Technicians on scaffoldable vertical stabilizer, ensuring aerodynamic integrity. This is the last major structural component of the tail. Engine pod mounting under Apache's wings, fuel line connections made. These connections are vital. Fuel, electrics, hydraulics all feed the engine.
Landing gear installation and retraction mechanism testing. Gear smoothly extends. Smooth operation, no binding, it's ready for flight. Gear down and locked.
Electrical system power on test. Multimeters take readings from a complex junction box. Every circuit, every...
Hydraulic pressure test. Fluid pumps through clear lines, gauges hold steady. Maintaining pressure is crucial for all flight control systems. This is a good sign.
Flight control surface tests, ailerons, elevators, rudder deflecting in unison. The response is crisp and precise. The control systems are fully functional, full range of motion.
Landing gear extension/retraction cycling, mechanical synchronization flawless. No hesitation, no binding. It's exactly how it should be.
Fuel system flow test with dye-colored liquid for leak detection. The UV dye reveals even the smallest hairline cracks. Zero tolerance for fuel leaks.
Avionics boot up sequence. Multiple screens illuminate in the Apache's cockpit. Systems online.
Tower, Apache 101, radio check. How do you read?
Apache 101, loud and clear. Welcome back to the airwaves.
Cockpit monitors verify GPS lock, displaying a precise location. Navigation systems are fully functional. We have a clear path ahead.
All lights functional.
Emergency system checks. Fire suppression and ejection seat safety pins verified. These are the last lines of defense. They must be absolutely perfect.
ECS tube. Test. Smoke shows cockpit airflow visualization, demonstrating circulation. The airflow is even and
Similar. Surface preparation and sanding with fine grit orbital sanders creates a smooth finish. A perfect paint job starts.
even coverage.
Base coat spray painting transforms the Apache into historical military colors. This isn't just paint, it's bringing her
Clear coat application for UV protection and gloss finish, creating mirror-like sheen. This
Newly painted Apache cures under infrared heat lamps. Temperature monitored. Optimal curing is essential.
Military decals, national insignia, and serial numbers are meticulously applied. These markings are...
Panel line accenting adds visual depth to the Apache's fuselage. These subtle lines make the aircraft look more realistic, more powerful.
It's all in the detail.
Final buffing to a mirror shine creates dazzling reflections on the Apache. This is the final polish.
She's absolutely gleaming.
The restored Apache emerges from the hangar into golden hours of sunlight.
External power unit connected to Apache for initial systems check. External power online. All systems are receiving power.
Fuel, hydraulics, electrics, all green. Checklist complete.
All systems nominal. All clear for tech zone.
Brake test. Smoke from Apache's wheels as it stops abruptly. Positive brake response. No fade, no pull. Excellent. Feels good. Control response is excellent.
Crew chief performs final pre-flight inspection, meticulously checking details. Every rivet.
Apache 101 cleared for takeoff, runway 27.